Here are 7 mistakes to avoid making with your benchtop. Benchtops are considered long-lasting solutions for various applications, including kitchen benches, islands, worktops, and more. They provide functional workspaces while enhancing the aesthetics of the surrounding environment. They are generally designed to withstand daily use, heavy loads, and exposure to various conditions. Ideally, the material you choose should be able to resist scratches, stains, heat, moisture, and chemicals commonly encountered in their specific application. For example, Archant's porcelain benchtops are known for their incredible durability and resistance to heat and stains. Still, it's important to note that proper maintenance is crucial for preserving the longevity of a benchtop. Of course, different materials have specific maintenance requirements. For example, natural stone benchtops require periodic sealing, while porcelain and quartz surfaces just need a quick wipe down to maintain their appearance. Following manufacturer guidelines and practicing regular care can help ensure the benchtop's durability over time. Cared for correctly, your bench will provide functionality and visual appeal for many years to come. To protect your investment, there are several mistakes that should be avoided. These tips will ensure safety and maintain the integrity of your surface. Here are 7 serious mistakes to avoid making with your bench. Neglecting regular cleaning and maintenance. A dirty and poorly maintained benchtop can lead to contamination, reduced work efficiency, and even damage. Avoid neglecting regular cleaning, such as wiping down spills and debris, and perform routine maintenance as recommended by the manufacturer. Using the wrong tools or techniques. Benchtops are designed for specific purposes and have weight limitations. Avoid using tools or techniques that exceed the weight or load capacity of your benchtop. This can cause it to warp, crack, or even collapse. Using harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners. While it's important to keep your benchtop clean, using harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners can damage the surface. Avoid using bleach, ammonia, or other abrasive scrubbing pads unless it's explicitly recommended by the manufacturer. Instead, opt for mild, non-abrasive cleaners specifically formulated for a benchtop. Placing hot objects directly on the surface. Many benchtop materials are heat resistant to a certain degree, but it's best to avoid placing hot objects directly on the surface. High temperatures can cause discoloration, burns, or even irreversible damage. Use trevettes, heat-resistant mats, or other protective barriers when working with hot items. It should be noted that porcelain is unique with its amazing resistance to heat. You can place a scalding hot pan on the worktop without harm. Cutting or chopping directly on the benchtop. While some worktops are more durable than others, it's generally not advisable to cut or chop directly on the surface. Sharp knives or heavy tools can leave deep scratches or gouges, compromising the integrity and aesthetics of the benchtop. Always use cutting boards or appropriate work surfaces for these tasks. Again, porcelain is an exception to this, as you can use a stainless steel knife directly on the surface without damaging it. Overloading the benchtop with excessive weight. Each benchtop has its weight limits, and exceeding them can lead to structural damage. Avoid overloading your benchtop with excessive weight, such as heavy machinery, large materials, or stacks of items. If you're unsure of the maximum weight capacity, consult the manufacturer's guidelines. Avoid UV rays. With the exception of porcelain, most benchtops cannot be used outside because they'll fade or yellow due to the sun's ultraviolet rays. Porcelain is unique in this sense, as it will not be affected at all by the UV rays. By avoiding these mistakes and practicing proper care and maintenance, you can ensure that your benchtop remains in good condition and serves you well for years to come.